Now this frontal has not been bleached. The knots have not been bleached. We leave that up to the client typically, unless you request to have your knots bleached, and we'll assist you with that. But I just want to show the frontal where it doesn't struggle either. It is pretty long. It's not choppy. I've seen some frontals that's just super choppy at the bottom, and it's just, it's like, throw the whole frontal away because they've just taken your money. Now, this is our regular straight frontal. I want to show you the difference because we do get requests for the silk frontal. So this is a lace frontal, and then I'll show you the difference of a silk frontal. This is our straight silk frontal. I don't know if it's picking up on this camera, but this hair is a little bit lighter. This hair, I don't know if the sheen is coming out on the camera, but when I say this hair is giving me life right now, it has its own sheen. There's nothing on it. We just took this out of the packaging and literally like laid it on the desk. But the difference with a lace frontal and a silk frontal is the completion. So on the back here, sometimes, well, all the time, on a silk frontal, there'll be a skin patch that is sewn into the frontal. The reason being on a silk is because you want that look of a realistic scalp. Now, all the technology that's out nowadays, or should I say my team, can create that same illusion on a lace frontal, but let me show you the difference. So on a silk frontal, I'll just part it with my nail because these stilettos are like like little swords or little combs on their own. Okay, so let me show you. On a silk frontal, it has a skin resemblance texture. So this is why a lot of times ladies request a silk frontal, because when you part it, it looks like scalp. And like I said, with all of the techniques and the technology out now, we can do the same manipulation with the lace. So at the end of the day, it's preference. But I want to show you the difference, the true difference, whereas it's an actual skin resemblance inside of the lace frontal. So I hope that helps. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe. And until next time, guys.